Hi everybody, welcome to Bacha EduTech. Today we are going to discuss about cytoplasm and cytoskeleton, isn't it? Up till now we discuss about the plasma membrane, the cell wall which is the part of plant cell. Typically we discuss about the plant cell. We know that there is cell wall which is present in fungus also, algae also, archaea also, bacteria also, but we discuss in detail about the plant cell wall, and we know that animal does not consist of any kind of the cell wall. Today we are going to go somewhere inside in the cell and we are going to discuss about the cytoplasm. We are going to discuss about the cytoplasm. We know that cyto stands for what? Cyto stands for cell, and plasma, it is nothing but the kind of the plasm is nothing but the kind of the matrix, or we can say the semi-liquid, semi-fluid content is there, isn't it? So cytoplasm is nothing but the fluid material or semi-fluid material which is present inside the cell. So this fluid material, that is nothing but the cytoplasm, isn't it? So this cytoplasm consists of two parts, that majorly it consists of the cytoplasmic matrix, which is nothing but we can call it as a liquid material. So what it contains? So it contains basically sugar. It also consists of amino acid. Why one should believe that this cytoplasmic matrix consists of all the things like amino acids are there, sugar is there, number of enzymes are present. Why this is so? Because we know that whatever metabolic processes are going to occur, that majorly going to occur in the cytoplasm, because number of different organelles are present in the cytoplasm itself, isn't it? So whatever things are required, whatever raw material will be there or waste material will be there, that will be going to present in the cytoplasm itself. So sugar is present, amino acids are present, enzymes are present in the cytoplasmic matrix. Water is the major content of the cytoplasmic matrix. Understand this? So it consists of sugar, it consists of amino acid, enzymes, water, whatever ATP will be going to synthesize, that will also going to present there, so that all the kind of the work will be going to be in the perfect manner, isn't it? So all the kind of the raw material or waste product are the part of the cytoplasmic matrix, isn't it? Secondly, it consists of cytoplasmic organelle. So we know that in eukaryotic cell, we already see the overview of this. So in case of the eukaryotic cell, whether it is the plant cell, whether it is the animal cell, they having the different types of the organelles. Some are membrane bound, some are non-membranous one, isn't it? So number of different organelles are there, like endoplasmic reticulum is there, then Golgi apparatus, lysosome, isn't it? Nucleus is suspended there. So number of different organ vesicles are there, inclusions are there. So all they are suspended in the cytoplasm. So cytoplasmic organelles are nothing but the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. So then ribosomes are there, isn't it? Number of different lysosomes, vacuoles and others are all the part of the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm basically it is made up of cytoplasmic matrix and the cytoplasmic organelle. Organelles are suspended in the cytoplasm, and whatever nutrient material is there, that is present in the matrix parts, whether it is sugar, whether it is amino acid, number of different enzymes which are required for the metabolic reactions, then water, then whatever waste will be there, excretion will be there, that will be also present in the cytoplasm itself. Understand this? Number of different gases are there, vitamins are there, minerals are there, that is also the part of this cytoplasmic matrix. So how actually distribution will going to occur, isn't it? So many things are present. Sugars are there, minerals are there, vitamins are there, gases are there. So that should be get evenly distributed in the cell, isn't it? So even distribution should be there in the cell. Cell मध्ये त्यांची मूवमेंट कशी असली पाहिजे, इवन. सो सायटोप्लाझम मध्ये जे कंटेंट आहे ते सेलच्या प्रत्येक पार्ट मध्ये पोहोचलं पाहिजे, तिथे तिथे त्यांची रिक्वायरमेंट आहे, isn't it? So that is known as, that kind of the movement is known as the cyclosis. Cyclosis is nothing but the either circulational or the rotational movement. ठीक है? Suppose we consider this is the plant cell. Suppose this is the plant cell. Here there is the presence of large vacuole. Nucleus is there, isn't it? So they are moving like this. There is cyclosis. Cyclosis is nothing but the kind of the movement. It is nothing but the movement. Understand this? So they are moving. This cytoplasm is doing the movement. Either it is circulational one, either it is rotational one. So they are moving. So because of moving, there is equal distribution of these nutrients will going to occur, or enzyme going to be occur. Understand this? So cyclosis is occur in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm keep moving, so that there is even distribution, equal distribution throughout the cell will going to happen, and that is the major role of the cytoplasm. Understand this? It is the site for metabolic reaction. It is the site for metabolic reaction, like glycolysis and all the type of the metabolic pathways are there, that will going to occur in the cell. But in the cell where they are going to occur, they are not going to occur on the ER or Golgi apparatus, they are going to occur in the cytoplasm. Understand this? So it is the site for the different types of the metabolic reactions. It is also the site for the synthesis. Number of different types of synthesis will going to occur here. Understand this? So it is the majorly it is the site for the metabolic reaction. Major is the movement, so equal distribution is one of the function of the cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm, it is nothing but the semi-fluid material, or you can say it is nothing but the matrix. So this matrix consists of, this cytoplasm is consist of either the cytoplasmic matrix, which is also known as the cytosol, and it consists of the cytoplasmic organelle. Whatever structures which are present in the cell, which we are calling it as an organelle, so they are suspended in the cytoplasm, so it is the part of the cytoplasm itself. And matrix consists of different type of sugars, amino acid, vitamins, water, mineral, different types of gases, whatever waste product will be there, that is also the part of the cytoplasm. What cytoplasm is doing? Cytoplasm is doing this cyclosis. So cyclosis is nothing but what kind of the rotational or the circulational movement will be there. That is either the unidirectional one or the multidirectional one. Suppose in case of animal cell, it is kind of the multidirectional one. To each of the vesicles it going to move. So cytoplasm keep moving so that there is the equal distribution of the whatever content is present. Understand this? So this is nothing but the cytoplasm, which is the major site for the metabolic reactions. It make up the volume of the cell. So this is what about the cytoplasm. Next is cytoskeleton. So cyto stands for cell and skeleton is nothing but some kind of the backbone which is present inside the cell. So suppose this is what the cell, animal cell. So there is kind of the structures which are present inside the cell. There is the network of the different type of the filaments. They are basically made up of protein. So we know that there is cell wall which is present in the plant cell. So it will going to provide the mechanical support. It will going to provide the shape to the plant cell. But there is no cell wall in case of the animal cell. So who will going to provide it a support? Support कोणाकडनं त्यांना provide होणार, isn't it? So in case of basically in the plant cell, we know that there is the presence of the very hard cell wall having primary, secondary, tertiary cell wall. Sometimes tertiary cell wall is also present. So kind of the rigid structure is present in case of the plant cell. But what about the animal cell? In case of the animal cell, there is no such kind of cell wall is present. So who will going to provide the mechanical support or shape to the cell? Isn't it? That is the question. So one of the answer is the cytoskeleton. This cytoskeleton is present in all the eukaryotic organism, whether it is plant cell, whether it is fungus cell, or whether it is any other cell. But in case of eukaryotic organism, this cytoskeleton is present. So this is basically the network of different threads which are present inside the cell. Cell मध्ये ज्या काही threads आहेत, these are nothing but the threads which are arranged in the random manner. They are going to provide the kind of the support. This is only one of the function of the cytoskeleton. So this cytoskeleton is basically made up of protein. It is basically made up of protein. It consists of microtubules. It is also made up of protein. It consists of microfilaments, and it consists of intermediate filaments. सो लाईक आपण सेल वॉलमध्ये जसं डिस्कस केलं होतं की इट हॅविंग अ डिफरंट कंपोजिशन which is made up of majorly of sugar. Here cytoskeleton is majorly made up of protein. So protein is the basic component of this cytoskeleton, and cytoskeleton is made up of three types of the filament, like it having the microtubules, it having the microfilaments, and having the intermediate filaments. So basically these microtubules are made up of tubulin protein. It is made up of tubulin protein. ठीक आहे. सो जे काही डायनामिक फंक्शन्स सेलमध्ये पॉसिबल आहे दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अमेझिंग पार्ट दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी सायटोस्केलेटन विच इज ऑब्झर्व इन अंडर दी इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोपी. ठीक आहे ना. सो दीज मायक्रोफिलामेंट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ ॲक्टिन प्रोटीन. दे आर मेड अप ऑफ ॲक्टिन प्रोटीन. अंडरस्टँड दिस. सो microtubules are basically made up of tubulin protein and microfilaments are made up of the actin protein. Understand this. So this tubulin protein and this actin protein forms the microtubules and the microfilaments. So suppose this is what this cell. So inside cell there is presence of such kind of the network. It is basically of having the intermediate filament. Somewhere like this such kind of the network is there, that is of microtubule. Okay. One more network which is present like this, which is made up of the which is made up of the microfilaments. So together they form the complete network. Together they form the complete network inside the cell. Understand this. So cell मध्ये जसं आपण घरामध्ये कुठल्याही वस्तू अशा कुठेही पसरवलेल्या नसतात, same will be there. Cytoplasm मध्ये inside cell all the organelles are not suspended randomly. They are in a kind of the correct manner, organized manner will be there, and that organized manner is possible with the help of the cytoskeleton. जसं आपण सगळ्या वस्तू अगदी प्रॉपर रचून ठेवतो, ठीक आहे, फर्निचर असतं, सगळं असतं, सेम विल बी देअर. सो हिअर देर इज द प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ दिस cellular organelles are there with the help of the cytoskeleton. That is possible with the help of the cytoskeleton, and this cytoskeleton is made up of microtubules, microfilaments and the intermediate filaments. Basically all the three are made up of the proteins only. Okay. So tubulin protein is present in microtubules and actin protein is present in case of the microfilaments. So they are arranged in their own fashion and together they having the complete cytoskeleton. Understand this. So these microtubules is also the part of spindle fiber. आपल्याला माहिती आहे spindle fiber कुठे गरजेचे आहे. Spindle fiber are required for the cell division purpose. This is also part of the astrotrace, which is also the part of the cell division. It is also the part of cilia, flagella. Understand this. So microtubules are basically the part of cilia, also flagella, also for making cilia, for making flagella, for making sperm tail. There is also microtubules are present. Understand this. For the formation of spindle fiber, for the formation of astrotrace, one of the component is the microtubule, which is made up of the tubulin protein. Understand this. So some way microfilaments are also present in case of some of the cytoskeletal structure. So this is nothing but the basic part of the cytoskeleton. Now move towards the function. What kind of functions they are performing? So basically there is presence of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. So in this fashion there is presence of microtubule. So this is the kind of intermediate filaments and this is nothing but the microfilaments which are made up of the actin protein. So what is the function of this cytoskeleton? They are having the dynamic functions. It is an amazing structure which is present inside the cell which can only observe in case of the under the electron microscopy. Okay. So first is to provide mechanical support. So suppose we consider animal cell, we know that in case of animal cell there is absence of cell wall. So directly external boundary is nothing but the plasma membrane. External boundary का है plasma membrane आहे, cell wall present नहीं है. So cell ला mechanical support shape कौन provide करणार है? And one of the answer is that is nothing but the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton which is present inside the animal cell, it going to provide the major function in case of the animal cell is the mechanical support. Plant cell does not require such kind of the mechanical support, but it is the one of the major function in case of the animal cell. Understand this. everywhere it is present. The cytoskeleton is present in each and every eukaryotic organism, but mechanical support, this kind of the function of mechanical support is very much essential in case of the animal cell. So in case of animal cell, it will going to provide a mechanical support, it will going to provide a shape. Okay, they are holding, so they are holding, not all the organelles are not suspended in the random manner, they are holded by the, or they are supported by the cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton help in the distribution of that organelle within the cell also. Understand this? They are also going to help in the cell division. We know that aster rays and spindle fibers are formed with the help of the microtubules. So cytoskeleton also provide the kind of the cell division. ठीक है ना? So it will also help in the kind of the exocytosis and the endocytosis processes. ठीक है? So जेव्हा पण cell exocytosis किंवा endocytosis करत असते, infoldings are there, and that also with the help of the cytoskeleton. So majorly cytoskeleton is required for the mechanical support and the shape, but that is not only the function. It will also help in the cell division. It also help to get organelles in the specific location with the help of the cytoskeleton. It also provide the movement of that organelles. Organelles तिथेच फक्त प्रेझेंट असून चालणार आहे का, किंवा ऑर्गनल्स मधलं जे काही डिस्ट्रीब्युशन आहे ते तिथेच असून चालणार आहे का, त्यांची पण प्रॉपर मूवमेंट ज्या वेळेला गरज आहे त्या वेळेला व्हायला पाहिजे. सो इट ऑल्सो प्रोव्हाइड दी मूवमेंट लाईक दी सायटोप्लाझम. जसं सायटोप्लाझम सायक्लोसिस असते, सेम वे सायटोस्केलेटन पण मायक्रोफिलामेंट्स और मायक्रोट्युब्युल्स जे आहे त्यांचे जे फिलामेंट्स आहेत त्यांची मूवमेंट होऊ शकते. अँड दॅट इज द मेजर पार्ट इन ईच अँड एव्हरी सेल. प्रत्येक सेलमध्ये हा पार्ट खूप महत्त्वाचा आहे, दॅट इट प्रोव्हाइड्स द सेल मूवमेंट. इट विल अलाव द सेल मूवमेंट, and that is nothing but all about the cytoskeleton. It again having the number of different functions also, but major functions are mechanical support and shape in case of the, majorly in case of the animal cell, because the animal cell does not consist of cell wall. So external boundary is directly the plasma membrane. Suppose if there is no cytoskeleton in the animal cell, then what will going to happen? Suppose animal cell मध्ये cytoskeleton नाहीच आहे. We know that that plasma membrane is only made up of the lipid bilayer. Some amount of proteins are there and major content is the lipid bilayer. but फक्त fat layer त्याला mechanical support देऊ शकेल का? No. So this kind of proteins are present inside the animal cell. That's why there is the kind of the rigidity or that kind of the support is there for the cell with the help of the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton animal cell मध्ये नसेल तर animal cell काय होणार आहे? Collapse होणार. So that is the major and important function of the cytoskeleton when we consider the animal cell. It will provide the mechanical support, it will going to provide the shape. That is very 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 important because plasma membrane only consists of the lipid bilayer. So it having the most of the content is the fat. So fat not going to provide all the kind of the support or shape to the cell. So major the provider of the shape and the mechanical support is nothing but the cytoskeleton. And cytoskeleton म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो backbone. So it is not kind of the static structure. ठीक है ना? But in case of inside the cell, cytoskeleton is not the static structure. It can able to move also, and because of that movement, number of different functions are possible by the cell. ठीक है? Cell सगळे functions properly करू शकते because there is the presence of cytoskeleton which is not the static one. You can say it is the kind of the plastic thing able to kind of the fold is possible. That's why exocytosis and endocytosis is also possible with the help of the cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton is majorly made up of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments. So they are help in also cell division. So cell division मध्ये important आहे because it will going to form these spindle fibers and the aster rays. Microtubules is a major content of this spindle fiber and the aster rays. Again, it is the part of cilia, flagella, sperm tape. We know that it will go to provide the mobility. Understand this? So that is also made up of this microtubule. So cytoskeleton is much important. It not only going to provide the mechanical support, or it is not the static structure. It is able to move. Understand this? So there is movement is possible of that protein. So that there is cell movement is possible. It also provides mechanical support and the shape in case of the, majorly in case when we talk about the animal cell. If we imagine animal cell without cytoskeleton, it is not possible. It will going to collapse. ठीक है. So to provide the support also, along with support it will going to have the number of different functions. Understand this? So this is what about the cytoskeleton. In next session we will going to start with the all the internal organelles which are present inside the cell. So we started with the plasma membrane, we also discussed the cell wall, we also discussed the cytoplasm, and now the cytoskeleton. So whatever things backbone is there, we discuss all about that. Now we are moving inward with the nucleus and all the different organelles which are present inside the cell. Thank you so much.